welcome to the adventures. All right, so we're quarantined to the truck.
Yep, we are. We always are anyways, though.
Yeah, it's really not that different.
All the time. We're home maybe a day and a half, so.
Yeah, so it's pretty normal life. But there are some safety things that we are going to suggest to put in place. But first off, if you're not subscribed, go to that now and hit that bell. That way you get all the latest notifications of our videos when they come out. Regularly quarantined to the truck, and how does that look? Well, if you follow us on Instagram and Facebook, you know that we broke down 2 times last week, 5 times in the last month. Every time we break down, we're quarantined to the truck because we can't leave our trailers.
We can't move. We stay here with them.
Yeah, so that's a regular thing that we deal with regularly. But there are some things. First off, what is your number one thing that you think we should be doing?
Fuel, 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 fuel. Keep the truck full as much as you can. If we got stopped somewhere and we had to shut down, we could probably go, I don't know, maybe a week or 2 with 2 full tanks of fuel, stopping, you know, letting the truck batteries charge up, air conditioning, heat, whatever.
Yeah. So
keep the truck full.
Yeah, along with that, if we did get shut down somewhere because of the lifestyle that we already live, if you haven't noticed, go check out our micro tiny house video, or go check out a bunch of our truckers kitchen playlist, and then see all those videos. You guys know that we already live a more simplified life in the truck. So have food in the truck, okay? Because restaurants are shut down.
You gotta have your water, don't you, Miss Anna? You drinking your water?
That's Scott's girlfriend.
She's 91 years old.
And she doesn't like to drink water all the time. Yeah. But anyways, guys, so the only thing that we did this week to prepare a little bit extra is we did bring 2 extra gallons of water on the truck. So we had 8 gallons of water on the truck when we left out this week. And that was just in case we wanted or needed more water and we weren't able to find it in the store. But we could always go to a facility and fill up our jugs if we needed to. No big deal. But we have the jugs that we can fill them up. Some of you don't even have water jugs on your truck. So at least do yourself a favor, go get a gallon of water and make sure you're keeping that jug full. And then also food, make sure you're having food on the truck, and make sure that the food is not just food that has to be cooked, even though we cook all of our food on our truck, but make sure that you have some food that if for some reason you don't have power, like when we break down, sometimes we have not had power, make sure you have some food that you can eat that doesn't need to be cooked, all right? So just by those simple things alone, not once have we mentioned that you had to go into the public and have contact with people. But now you're thinking, I have to go to the bathroom. Don't worry, we got that answer for you too.
Yeah.
Go check out that video. It's gonna be right up there. What to do when there's there's no potty. We got it figured out. I mean, not saying that we're saying do it all the time, but in these cases, it might be wise. We know truckers go far and they go fast from destination to destination, and you're going into some pretty major cities. It might not be bad to really just quarantine your truck. The president and governors are already asking you to do that, so do your part, not just to keep America great and keep freight moving and packages, food and all that stuff, the store stocked, but do your part in quarantining as well. So try to stay in your truck. The only time we're going into the public is to take a shower. And we are going in and we're taking a shower as fast as we can and getting back in our truck. We're not stopping, we're not talking and all of that.
We actually got a letter that says we can keep moving.
Yeah, so the plan is that we are going to keep rolling. It's not going to affect us. FedEx does haul a lot of stuff that keeps it going. So
medical supplies, whatnot.
Just like public service announcement, if you guys are ordering stuff off of Amazon, off of Walmart, online, all of these places online, please stop. Stop doing it. I know that sounds crazy. The grocery stores don't have it, and truckers are trying to keep the grocery stores stocked as much as possible, but you guys keep clearing the shelf. Going online and buying your stuff online is not going to resolve the problem. There are only so many people that can work in the warehouses, so many trailers, and so many truckers that can get it to your house. So just because you buy it online does not mean you're going to get it. If anything, it's going to make this entire situation worse, because truckers are not going to be being able to catch up and stay up with all of the stuff people are ordering offline. So you guys, it's not that big of a crisis. God tells us to have peace in our life, and he also promises that there is peace amongst the storms. So for us, we are not fearful of
one nation under
God.
Yeah.
So we're not fearing all of this stuff. We are being mindful, but there's no reason to have complete fear. So we know that it's going to be okay at the end. So you don't need to be acting like you're going to be trapped in your house for 6 months. That's not really going to happen.
I do have one question though. If somebody that watches our channel, why toilet paper? Why was toilet paper the number
Don't
one
worry
thing in
about
demand?
water.
Why? I don't understand.
Get
Why?
toilet paper.
Why
Yeah.
toilet paper?
Comment below if you guys have any heads up. We don't know.
I got no clue.
So we're gonna keep rolling. We gotta get in here, get our shower real fast, and get back on the road. All right, guys. So until next time, stay safe, enjoy the adventures, and